Hello everyone, in this video I will review Enzymedica Berberine Phytosome. The Enzymedica Berberine Phytosome is designed to solve the biggest problem with regular berberine, its poor absorptions. The brand uses Berberis phytosome technology, which binds berberine to natural phospholipids to help it cross into the bloodstream more effectively. Enzymedica claims that process boosts absorption by up to 9.6 times compared to standard berberine. Unlike many supplement claims, that it has actual science to back it up. A clinical study showed that the phytosome form berberine can deliver nearly 10 times higher bioavailability than standard extracts. This means you can take a smaller dose but still get the same or even stronger benefits. Users also report fewer digestive issues compared to regular berberine, which can sometimes upset the stomach. Common benefits include support for healthy blood sugar, improved metabolism, and better energy balance. People who tried it often describe it as more long-lasting and smoother than typical berberine. For those who rely on berberine for blood sugar or cholesterol, this form may be more effective. The lower required does also make it easier to stick with daily use. On the downside, it usually costs more than plain berberine capsules. Still, many see the extract price as fair for the improved absorption and comfort. Instead of hype, the 9.6 times absorption claim is actually consistent with human trial results. Overall, Enzymedica Berberine Phytosome is a strong choice if you want reliable, efficient berberine with fewer side effects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.